Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight and track changes made in Excel workbooks. Let's get started. I have two tabs on my Excel spreadsheet. The tab I'm currently on is where I want to track any changes that are made. On the original data tab, located at the bottom, I have the data that I'm going to use to compare to the shared tab that everyone has access to in order to track any changes. Heading back to the shared tab, in order to set this up, you can highlight all of your data or press Ctrl A on the keyboard to do the same. Head to the conditional formatting and select New Rule. We're going to select the bottom option to enter a formula. In the formula bar, we're first going to click our top left cell and remove the absolute reference by selecting F4 three times. Then enter another equal sign. Head to the original data tab, which is where we're comparing to, and select the same cell and remove that absolute reference. Then enter equals false into the formula bar. Now we'll select our formatting. Click the format option. I want the font to appear as red, so I'll select that. Then for the cell fill color tab, I'll select the yellow highlight and click OK. And OK again. Now let's test our result. Imagine that someone came into the worksheet and changed the data. When I select out of that cell, you'll notice the change has been highlighted. In row 4, if I change the quantity again, I can see that changes was made. If you want to track the changes made without your viewer seeing the original data, you can right-click the original data tab and select Hide, and now only the shared view is visible. Then finally, if you want to update the original tab based on approved changes, you can right-click your tab and select and hide. With original data selected, you can click OK. Keep in mind, you have the ability to password protect your original data tab as well to ensure no unapproved changes are made. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.